In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can resize your chessboard here on chess.com. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can do this on, once again, PC and mobile, and this is actually super easy to do, but go ahead and get loaded into any game, and I'm just using a puzzle as an example for this, right? But when you're loaded into your game, go ahead and look towards the bottom right, and you kind of have to be off the board in order to see it, but look for these like little arrows, and it's like a double arrow icon. Essentially, just go ahead and click and hold the left mouse button down on that icon and drag it up or down to make the board smaller, or drag it outward to make the board bigger. You can resize it to whatever feels most comfortable for you. Just left click and hold and drag until it's the size that you want. But that is how you can make your chessboard bigger or smaller here in chess.com. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.